Hi, to start using Bizom, we need to first install the app from Play Store. Search for Bizom 2, Bizom 2, click install. Once the app is installed, click on open. On this page, this is the home page which opens up when you're opening your app. You need to enter your username. And enter password. Once all the data is synced, you'll be directed to this page. This is the edit info page where you can click on update profile pic to update your image. You can enter your address, email ID, a phone number, education qualification, shell experience if you have any, and other experience if you have any, total experience and age, also age of your first job, WhatsApp number if they are different, date of joining, SFA or non-SFA. You can click on save and all your information will be saved. On completing that form, you'll be redirected to a page wherein you'll have to take your attendance. Before we mark present or absent, you need to click on the camera icon. Click on capture. If you're not working, you have an option to click on not working at the right top corner. If you're present for the day and doing work, you can click on present, or if you're unable to attend your work, you can click on absent. In this case, I'll be marking present. I've provided the remarks. Also, I can give the reason and click on submit. Attendance has been marked successfully. Once you get the message, you can click on OK. And on this page, you'll be able to see the beats that have been assigned for the day. Once you've logged into Bizom, on the left top corner, you will see 3 bars, on clicking upon which you'll be able to see various options, that is the menu, such as outlet, my info, digital content, stock at warehouse, leave management, SRS dashboard, week-wise dashboard, coaching dashboard, day-wise dashboard, sync, push notification, help and feedback, etc. So here, if we go on outlets, you'll be able to find all the information such as the beats, the outlets, and various likes. On my info, you'll have the option to see the transactions that you've done for the day and also submit your end of day report. Also on stock at warehouse, you'll be able to see the various inventory that is available at a particular distributor. For example, in this case, it is test distributor. If you click on that, you'll be able to see various products that are level available. Here you can select different categories such as advanced and see all the products that are available here in this distributor. There are 1,000. For example, if we select a particular category such as air tool, there is one product under that, air tool oil, and you'll be able to see that there are 10,010 cases, which is how many liters and prices of the product also you'll be able to find here. Similarly, if you go on other options here, like my info, you'll be able to uh, click on info transactions. There's end of day wherein you can submit your end of day report at the end of your uh, beat visit. If we go on outlets, and you will be able to see the various beats that are assigned to you. For example, now on Wednesday, there are star mark, which is today. That means the beat assigned for today is Wednesday, and you'll be able to see the outlets that are in that specific beat. If we click on one of the outlets when we've visited, for the first time, we request you to click on update location so that we can provide the exact location of the outlet which will be stored in our systems. All you need to do is click on the arrow that you find at the right top corner. Location updated successfully. That means the location has been synced with our system. Also, you have various other options such as directions and the option to call the retailer directly. If you click on directions, you will be able to see the exact map on Google Maps so that you can reach the outlet. Also, if you just scroll down the page, you'll be able to see the general info here about that specific outlet. Under transactions in the outlet, if you click, you'll be able to see the orders that were placed, and also you'll be able to see the exact price that was placed here. The next option that you'll be able to see here is accounts receivable. Here you'll be able to see the outstanding balance of that specific outlet. For example, in this case, it is 226 rupees. Also, you'll be able to see the invoice that is pending here. It is of 1st of October, and these kind of information you'll be able to find here. To take an order, we need to go back to the beat, click on which outlet you want to take that order against, and then click on the plus symbol that is available at the right bottom of the screen. You have option there such as collections, edit dealer, start caller. If you click on edit dealer, you'll be able to give the information here like address, there is phone number, there's pin code, and click submit. Also, you can click on start call to take an order. Here you can search for a particular product by clicking on the search symbol at the top of the page. Now the products that start with GAD are showing up on screen. You can enter a particular number of case that you want to take that order for. In this case, 1, and number of pieces that you want to take if there are any, and corresponding liter shows up, or you can directly click on liters that you want to take that order for. You can take multiple orders or multiple products as well. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the summary of the order. For example, in this case, as shown above, we placed an order for 1 case and 1 piece of Gadis S2, and the price comes up to this. If you go on the summary page, you will be able to see the exact order details. And then if you see the right top corner, there is an arrow which you need to click on, and that order is placed. You can find that under My Info, Transactions, and you will be able to see the order that you just took. Also, upon clicking on plus symbol in an outlet, you'll have the third option, which is collections. You can enter the amount here, and you can also enter the details such as if I'm collecting cash or check or online. These are the 3 options that we have here. If we click on check, we'll also have to give the bank name, check date. Also, you can click image of this check and click on add, or you can give online transactions as well. Here you'll have to enter the transaction number in that place. In this case, I'm just going for cash. You can see the message that says collection amount was successfully added. You can see collection summary wherein the same details pop up. Also, upon clicking on the arrow at the top of the page, you'll be able to save it. Upon clicking on the 3 bars that you find at the left corner, you'll also be able to see the various dashboards that have been assigned. You can click on the SRS dashboard, select the right filter that you need. Here I'm selecting month and which month you need the information for. Here, for example, in the month of August, you'll be able to see the various KPIs such as volume, collection, monthly billed, premium plus prime wall, number of unique outlets visited, number of planned calls, number of productive calls, HX8. Also, you'll be able to see the target that have been assigned against these. The achieved numbers, what are the remaining balance in this case. For example, if 100 was the number of planned calls and you've taken 3, that means 97 is the remaining balance. And percentage, the same thing. Also, you will be known if you will know if you're eligible for incentive in the column that is incentive eligibility. If it is N, that means no. If it is Y, that means yes. Similarly, you have other dashboards such as week-wise dashboard, where you will be able to select the right filter such as quarter here. And if I'm interested in the quarter between July and September, you'll be able to see under in those weeks what was the target, what was the achievement, what is the balance, and also you'll know the incentive eligibility. Similarly, you have coaching dashboard. You'll be able to download this by clicking on coaching feedback report. Also, you have day-wise dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive idea about the order volume, the coverage, the productive calls or coverage of that particular day. So you will be able to go to my info now, click on transactions to see if the order that you have taken for the day is reflecting properly, and the info also is showing right, like the status shows as present for this day. And then click on end of day. Here you will be able to see under PJP total dealers mapped, total calls made, total productive calls, unique productive calls, and all such information. And if everything seems fine, you can click on any comments if you have. And click on submit. Please wait till the end of day is synced with Wisdom server. So once you will see this message in green, that means your end of day has been submitted. And you can also read the message, end of day has been successfully submitted at so and so time and so date.